Good morning, everybody. This is Todd Mitchell, and this is Friday, May 9th. Let's take a look at the trade that we put on just a couple days ago in United Technologies, UTX. UTX, if you recall, went along right in here at the price of 116.82, right? Yesterday I gave you the profit target, the first profit target, of between 118.20, right, and 50. 118.20 to 50. All right, stop right below this low right in here. Look at yesterday. We were looking for the market to at least come back to that 50% mark from high to entry, or from high to low rather. And that was, we were looking at, so again, 118.20 to 118.50, and the market ran up to 118.09, ended up reversing completely and closing near the low of the day. So basically yesterday is what I would call, what I personally call, a bearish blow-off bar, or a bearish hammer for those of you that you know, follow the candlestick terminology, so which would be bearish. But overall, the trend is up, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just I'm going to exercise the patience and discipline and leave that stop below the 7th low, that low being 115.63, so 115.43. I'm just going to leave my stop in there, okay? And just leave it there, not risking a whole lot, see if this market can stage a little rally here. Again, if the market breaks down through the low of 115.63, then I won't want this anymore anyways, okay? Let me show you something real quick on what I did yesterday, and these are the types of trades that I also outlined in the premium videos, and that was in Tesla, okay? Remember, these premium videos are emailed to you directly before the market opens to show you exactly what I'm looking to do that day, any position trades I look to put on. And so Tesla had earnings 2 days ago, right? So the market closed here and they had earnings. The market opened up way down in here, about 23 points lower, okay? So let me flip it to a 3-minute chart and I'll show you exactly what I was looking to do in the morning, okay? And this happened yesterday. And again, this was given to all my premium 1K a day video subscribers before the market opened. Let me get right to that. All right, so here we're at on a 3-minute chart right now. So what I was looking to do yesterday, and again, this was given out before it happened. Well, we knew the market was opening lower. We knew that, right? So my first, what I was looking to do is I was looking to buy it in the first 15 minutes, okay? Looking for the market to stage some type of rally and try to at least try to fill that gap, okay? How far it goes, who knows? Nobody knows. You've got to use proper trade management on the trade. So what I ended up doing was I entered the market at 184.73, right down in here, right where I'm drawing this red horizontal line, 184.73, okay? My initial catastrophic stop on the trade was 20 cents below the low of the day, okay? ISL, my initial stop loss was right there, okay? Took a couple minutes, and then finally the market started to do what I thought it would do. So that was nice, right? So at that time, I was eyeing two areas, okay? Two areas between the blue action zone, which I would expect possibly some type of resistance to come into play, but after a gap like this, I wouldn't be surprised if we continued to rally, right? So that's my first area that I'm looking very closely at. The second area, okay, is the 50 exponential, the hot pink, okay? But rather than taking automatic profits at those levels, what I decided to do, since the market made higher highs and higher lows on each individual 3-minute bar, right? Look at higher high, higher low, higher high, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I did was each bar, when it took out the prior 3-minute bar's high, I moved my stop up to below the prior bar's low. Right, then we got an inside pattern here. I wanted to give it some room, right? This bar, this is a big bullish expanded range vertical bar, largest range in the day, right? This is a launch bar, I call it. So my stop was right here, okay? then we consolidate it, and then we put in a tight little inside pattern right here. So what I did was, when I saw that, I'm like, okay, here we go. We're not able to break up through the 50 exponential. Let's put a sell stop below the low of this inside pattern here, 20 cents below 192 to 191.80. Okay, and this is what happened. So I was stopped out at 181. Yeah, 180. So this particular trade yesterday, again, buying it at 174.73 and out at 181.80 was a pretty nice trade. Okay, so what is that? 6, 7, a little over 7 points in just the first hour of trading. And that was a nice trade. So these are types of trades that you can capitalize on as well. And look at what the market did yesterday. So all it did was it continued to move lower. Okay, and it actually ended up breaking the low of the day. But this was what I was expecting at the beginning of the day because of that gap. So that earnings announcement gave us the opportunity to capitalize on this move. And again, those are just some of the things that I point out before the market opens, and it's emailed directly to you. You can access it in the members area that you have access to as well, but it's also embedded in the email that I send you. You can watch it immediately, take what I have to say, watch the market, and do what you want with it, okay? Hope that helps. Have a profitable day, and I'll be back with you Monday. Have a great, great weekend and a great Mother's Day, okay? Bye now.